Introducing the US Stove Wood-Burning Stove, a versatile heating and cooking solution for those seeking warmth and functionality in their cabins and small outdoor structures. This heavy-duty cast iron stove combines safety, convenience, and efficiency to provide a reliable heat source while offering the added benefit of an integrated cooking surface. With its classic design and modern technology, it seamlessly marries nostalgia with practicality. Join us as we delve deeper into the features and benefits of this remarkable wood-burning stove. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Versatile heating and cooking solution. This wood-burning stove offers the perfect combination of heating and cooking capabilities. With a maximum heat output of 54,000 BTUs, this heavy-duty cast iron stove can efficiently warm up 900 square feet of space, making it an ideal choice for cabins and small structures. Number 2. Safety and convenience. One standout feature is the two-piece safety handle, which remains cool to the touch even while the stove is in operation. This allows for easy refueling without the risk of burns, ensuring your safety during use. The stove's heavy-duty cast iron body not only enhances durability, but also combines classic aesthetics with modern efficiency. Number 3. Long burn times. Due to its spacious firebox, this wood-burning stove can accommodate logs of up to 19 inches in length. This means you can enjoy longer burn times and fewer trips to fetch firewood when your fuel is running low, making it a practical choice for extended periods of use. Number 4. Integrated cooking surface. This wood-burning stove features a 6.25-inch cooking surface on top of the stove. This allows you to prepare meals while heating your cabin, making it perfect for those cold winter nights when you crave sustenance and warmth from a single source. Number 5. Rustic charm with modern efficiency. Standing at compact dimensions, this stove is designed with a rustic charm that harks back to simpler times. However, it also incorporates modern heating technology for efficient and effective performance. The combination of nostalgia and efficiency makes it a unique addition to your cabin or retreat house. Dimensions. Product dimensions are 33 inches depth by 18.5 inches width by 23 inches height. Specifications. Take a moment to look at the specifications. Pause if you'd like to read them thoroughly. Pros and cons. 4 reasons to buy. Efficient heating with a maximum output of 54,000 BTUs. Two-piece safety handle remains cool for easy refueling. Long burn times thanks to the ability to accommodate 19-inch logs. Integrated cooking surface for meal preparation. 1 reason not to buy. Not easily portable due to its weight and size. Conclusion. The US Stove Wood-Burning Stove from the US Stove Company offers a versatile and reliable heating solution for small structures. Its safety features, long burn times, and integrated cooking surface make it a practical choice for those seeking both warmth and functionality. With its classic design and modern efficiency, it's a valuable addition to any outdoor home. Plus, it's proudly made in the USA and backed by a limited lifetime firebox warranty, along with a 1-year warranty on all other parts. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.